Well, before the pain, I was very active, always walking, swimming, going with the grandchildren. You know, just everyday things was not a problem. When the pain started, all those things had to go. No matter what painkillers I was taking, it wasn't helping me. I wasn't getting sleeping at night, so that made me tired, and it was a vicious circle. The pain makes you tired, your mood's low because of this, because you can't do the things that you like to do. So it was very restrictive, very, very restrictive. The doctor referred me to the consultant. That was a year and a bit, about a year ago. And the consultant said, yes, I do need the hip operation, but a very long waiting list. So that wasn't good. I got a phone call on just round about December, asking me how I was, and I wasn't very good then. And they told me that they'd put me on the cancellation list, but I never heard any more. I went back to the doctor and I was crying that day. It was so bad. She wrote a letter to the consultant asking if I couldn't be put down as urgent. I got an appointment to see him, and he said no. So then I became quite depressed. And then I seen this advert on the television and I thought, oh wow, that would be amazing. Quite a step, but it would still be amazing to get it done. In my own country, it would have been double the amount of money. But my family were very good and they rallied round me, and I was able to come. And within, I would say, about 3 weeks since contacting them, here I am and I've got the op done. I have no pain, a little bit in the wound, but nothing to complain about really. And yesterday I hardly had any painkillers at all, so I'm happy. I think it is amazing. Very down to earth and very good looking. Very nice. Showed me a photo of his children this morning before he went away, before I go tomorrow, and wished me all the best and said that I was doing very well and that everything was going good, x-rays, blood, everything good, exercises. I was working hard, definitely. I would recommend it. I think the care and the quality of care has been excellent. The food, the people, everybody's been, I would definitely recommend it. If they're having any doubts at all and they're in pain, I think they should come. I think my life will change quite dramatically actually, because I'll be able to do all the things that I couldn't do. Like I loved going out in the morning with the dogs, having nice walks, which will help my weight loss, because I have gained weight because I wasn't active. And I think I was eating because I was comfort eating. So that can stop. I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to getting out with the grandchildren, going to the beach. We have lovely walks where I stay, and the children love going up there, so I'll be doing that with the dogs and the children, and doing my own shopping, and I just generally